This concept of tourism marketing ay binubuo ng dalawang salita, tourism at marketing. According to Chang Cantrich's 2016, the tourism activity ay isang social experience kung saan ang mga tao ay bumibisita sa mga lugar na hindi nila karaniwang pinupuntahan at kung saan sila ay nagtatrabaho ng pansamantala. Ang marketing naman is a process ng pagtukoy, pagtugon at pagpapasaya sa mga customer at kanilang mga pangangailangan. So promotion is a way para i-endorse ng mga marketers ang kanilang tourist products at pataasin ang kanilang demand. Roles of tour operators and travel agents in the distribution channel. Tour operators. So, tour operators ay isang pangunahing responsibility sa pagbuo at pag-organize ng mga travel package. Also, tour package coordinates flights, accommodations, tours, and other services. So, travel agents naman is intermediaries na nagbebenta ng mga package tours ng tour operators to their final consumer or tourist. So, variety and importance of marketing mix. Meron tayong product, price, place, promotion, people, packaging, and programming. So, these components of marketing mix play a significant role in the success of a business. The right combination of these elements helps not only in introducing the product, but also in building good relationship with customers, strengthening the brand, and increasing revenue. If each component is properly implemented, there is a great chance for the business to succeed and maintain market leadership. Tourism service characteristics. First, intangibility. Tourists cannot experience the full service like a hotel stay or a guided tour until they actually used it. Second, inseparability. This means the customer experience is directly influenced by the service provider during the interaction. Third, perishability. Tourism services are perishable, meaning they cannot be stored, saved, or sold. 4. Variability. Tourism services are highly variable. The quality of service can differ depending on the time, location, and people providing it. 5. Ownership. Unlike physical products, tourism services do not result in the ownership of anything tangible. 6. Customer participation. Tourism services often require active participation from customers. 7. Seasonality. Many tourism services are subject to seasonal variation.
Hello po, I'm Kalalter Kuros, and here's the influence of electronic marketing in the customer's decision-making, purchase, and satisfaction po. Electronic media marketing, which is the social network, blog or vlog, forum or podcast po, email, websites, SEO or search engine optimization, Google search, and review platforms po. Dako naman po tayo sa impact ng electronic marketing on profitability and sustainability of tour and travel agency establishments po. Which is we have here the e-marketing strategies for the tour and travel companies po. Example po dito natin is on running through ads po. Run through ads po, eto po, tulad po nito.
Yung kasi! Unay! Pabili nga po ng suka.
Sa random videos po,
Akin na yan,
tatawa ako. Sa random videos po is mag-run through ads po kayo para po ma-market or ma-advertise niyo po yung inyong product or yung inaano po. And on how do we market po ba yung ganon? Siguro po I'll tell my stories or experiences po dun po sa service, siguro po mas makaka-market po ako ng maayos. Components naman po of a marketing plan, which is the short term and the long term. In short term marketing plan po, we have here the example po, 5 examples po. Promotional campaigns po, which is limited time offers, discounts, or seasonal promotion promotion to boost immediate sales po. Number 2 po is social media engagement po. Running ads, yun nga pinasabi ko, contest and influencer collaboration for quick brand awareness po. Number 3 po is content marketing. Blogs, posts, videos, or email campaigns targeting current trends po. And number 4 po is customer acquisition po. Lead generation strategies like Google Ads nga po or referral programs po. And number 5 naman po is event marketing. Naka-under po dito yung webinars, product launches, or trade shows for short-term engagement po. And dito naman po tayo sa long-term. Long-term marketing plan po is we have the example po. Example number 1 po is brand building. Establishing brand identity, values, and reputation over time po. And number 2 po is SEO and organic growth po. Creating evergreen content, optimizing websites, and ranking higher on search engines po. And number 3 po is we have the customers loyalty programs po. Rewarding repeat customers to build long-term relationship po. And number 4 po is product development. Innovating and expanding products or services based on market trends po. And number 5 po is market expansions po. Entering new geographic areas or targeting new customer segments po. Both short-term and long-term naman po, plans should work together to create sustainable and effective marketing strategy po. And yun lang po. Thank you po.